Are you single and you are tired of being single and you are ready to date, to be in a serious relationship? This website that I'm about to show you is actually for you. And you know what? They are all legit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at 10 websites that you can actually meet someone to date, to be in a relationship that can lead to marriage. Yes, where are my singles? This website will actually make you to meet some men, even white men, because there is some white men that actually want black women. You can also see white women on this website. Some of these websites, before you sign up, browse about them. Browse about a particular one you want to sign up. Search about them, know things about them before you sign up. It is very, very important. There are in this website, there are ones that are free, there are the ones that you need to pay. You subscribe. There are free ones and there are ones you need to pay. So depending on your own choice. And also you'll be very, very mindful of the person you are chatting. Yes, you need to be very smart so that you will not be scammed or whatsoever. So don't be carried away with love words and all that. You need to know the person very well. You need to trust the person so that you will not be scammed. So number one website we are going to talk about is Meetville. Yes, Meetville. When you go to your Google, just type meetville.com. You just sign up, and remember, browse about it first before signing up. Know things about it before signing up. One website is mingle2.com. 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 The third website is afroromance.com. afroromance.com. The fourth website is interracial.com. interracial.com. Fifth website is swell.com. swell.com. The sixth website is interracialdatingcentra.com. interracialdatingcenter.com. Seventh website is meetoutside.com. meetoutside.com. The eighth website is meetfirms.com. meetfirms.com. The ninth website is emiratchat.com. 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 The last website is dolike.com. dolike.com. And very, very, very important, some of these websites you might not be eligible in your country, but you can use VPN to meet men at US, UK, Germany. This is the end of our video for today, and I can't wait to hear your good news when you finally meet your dream man, your dream woman. Please comment below which country you are watching me from, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.